Double spending. What is this concept, double spending? In this video, I'll be explaining to you what double spending is and how blockchain has come to solve the problem of double spending. My name is Fabian Wandi, the crypto lord. On this channel, we decrypt crypto and make it so simple that a child of 5 can understand. If this is what interests you, can you give me that one subscription and click the bell for notification so that you should not miss on any of our videos. We explain crypto and make it so simple, and we give you tokenomics, we give you projects, we give you information so that you can be profitable in this ecosystem. I've had so many certifications in my life, but I've never been certified as a financial advisor. So every information gotten in this video should be taken for education and entertainment only. The concept of digital currency was first of all introduced by David Shawn in 1983 in his document titled Blind Signature for Untraceable Payment. And in this document, he was introducing a new form of currency where people cannot trace, bringing in digital currency where transactions can be done and the currency exists only online where traceability is not possible. This was successful because he actually created the first digital currency, and other digital currencies have been existing. But there is a problem. Double spending. What is double spending? Double spending is a scenario where I can send you money and send to the next person before the system could realize that I have already spent this money to somebody. That means you can use the same currency and buy things twice. You buy from here and buy from there. Then, before the system could realize that that transaction was done. Now, this is not possible in our real life, because if I hold maybe $1,000 and I move into a shop, I hold $100 bill and I buy something, I will give that $100 and it will leave me. I will not have it on me again. So I cannot spend it on any other thing again. If you go to buy anything, you can use that money, you buy that thing, the money will leave you. So there is no possibility of double spending with our physical cash holding it live. Now, there was a concept that was brought in, cards. You understand? Cards. This Visa card, MasterCard. With this card, you can go slot on an ATM machine and you buy something, or you withdraw the money, you go slot to a POS, you buy something. Now, the banks now act like a third party where they actually make sure that that money leaves from your account to the account of the person you are purchasing from. Or the money leaves your account and come to you as fiat currency. So double spending is not possible. But with digital currency, double spending was possible because you could send the money to somebody who could buy something and buy to the next before the system could realize that you have already used this money, before it could leave your account. Now, blockchain came to solve this problem. This is the problem mankind has been facing. To solve this problem now, Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008 brought forth the first cryptocurrency. That was the first cryptocurrency, not the first digital currency. The first digital currency was brought by David Shawn after he posted his document, Blind Signature for Untraceable Payment. After that, so many digital currencies have been existing. But the first cryptocurrency was brought by Satoshi Nakamoto, and he brought a technology called the blockchain technology. This technology is said to be more technological than the discovery of computer itself. It solves the problem of double spending. Now, how does this solve this problem? Whenever you want to do a transaction on the blockchain, you want to send money, a message is broadcasted like you always broadcast a message on WhatsApp. A message is broadcasted to people called miners. This is the proof of work blockchain. It's broadcasted to people called miners. This message goes to them and they do the calculation. It's a mathematical equation they need to calculate. Machines does that, not humans, okay? Now, when this calculation is done, it is verified that you actually have this amount in your account that you want to send to this person. They will verify, and when that transaction is validated, it will leave from your account to the account of that person. And those people that verify that transaction, they are rewarded for doing that. That is the process called mining. And their sole purpose is to make sure that double spending should not be possible. It is not possible to do double spending because they actually verify that transaction. It is not possible in banks because banks verify that transaction. In the blockchain, those people that verify the transaction, they are called miners or they are called validators, depending on the blockchain. You can watch our video on proof of work blockchain and the proof of stake blockchain so that you can understand this concept very well. Double spending is just a scenario where you can spend money twice before the system could realize that you have spent it. Now, this is the concept of blockchain. This is how blockchain works. Whenever a transaction is to be done, it is recorded and sent to those people called miners. They verify that transaction and they put in a block. Each transaction is represented by a hash. You can watch our video on a hash. On that hash represents that transaction. That means if you use that hash, you can trace your way into that transaction. You will realize that that transaction was done on this date, at this time. This wallet sent this amount to this wallet, and the transaction was confirmed. There was a transaction done in 2010 where somebody used 2 pizzas to buy 10,000 Bitcoin to buy 2 pizzas. That hash code is available. You can go and you see that transaction. You see the time, everything about that transaction. Now, those people that verify and put it on that blockchain, they are called miners. And the sole purpose of doing this is to avoid double spending. When they do this, so many transactions they put in a block and they put on the blockchain. Everybody can see the transaction. Everybody can see that block. And that block is represented by a hash. You can use that hash to watch everything on that block. That is how the blockchain works. Blockchain came to solve the problem of double spending so that you cannot spend the money 2 times. It must be verified. That's why when you are sending cryptocurrency, you see 1 confirmation, 2 confirmations, 3 confirmations, up to 6 confirmations before you can use it, depending on the blockchain. It is just to show that this is not possible. There is a scam that always happen in the crypto world. They call it flash coins. Flash coins, they can send it to you and it comes, but it will not confirm all because validators will refuse that transaction and you will return back. That is how scamming is also done in the crypto world. So whenever crypto is sent to you, make sure you have all the confirmations before you can do anything. This is what happens in the crypto world. Double spending cryptocurrency twice. To mitigate this, to solve this problem, mining and minting was introduced, where transactions are actually verified and validated, put on the blockchain, everybody can see, for the fact that double spending should not be possible. I hope this helped you, so to avoid some mistakes in the crypto world.